what? I think that this might just be the Sophie and Toffee Disney box for this season. I'm not entirely sure. Don't quote me on that. If it's not, then you'll know by the title. But anyway, let's get into it. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and I'm excited and intrigued because this package has arrived and I'm not entirely sure what it is because I don't keep up with like the Disney box because I don't like any spoilers. So I thought, well, it's kind of been around 3 months, so it probably should be the Disney box. I'm not entirely sure, but we're gonna get into it anyway. If you are new to my unboxings, hello and welcome. I like to simply just open the box, put my hand in, feel around and try and guess whatever the theme is. I'm not somebody who likes to get spoilers, so you can enjoy that ride because usually I don't get the theme right. Okay, here we go. I'm excited. Is it the box? Is it? Oh, it is! Oh my gosh, it's Kingdom Hearts. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Don't hate me, but I've never played Kingdom Hearts before. I know, I'm missing out, I know. But I've never played it before. So I am intrigued to see what we've gotten. This is a lovely looking box. We have holographic writing. You know that we love holographic stuff here in this house. Gorgeous. I really like it. See, the reason why I wasn't sure exactly that this was going to be the Disney box is because it's a slightly different shape. It's flatter and it's longer than usual. So I was a bit like, what could it be? But my instincts were correct. So let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh, hello. Oh, is there like 2 parts to this? I don't want to look because I don't want to get spoilers. we can have a look at the actual box afterwards. But the box feels full. Like it is full. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is resin. Yep, we have crystal LED resin there. Fabulous. I do love using crystal LED resin. Let's see what else we have. I'm feeling lots of little sachets. Could this be like more pigments and stuff? What are these? Yes, I was right. So we've got some of these in the Disney Tsum Tsum box. We've got red, yellow and blue there. And they've got a really nice sort of like pearlescent sort of sheen to them. They're gorgeous. Ooh, magic blue, lemon yellow and red. I wonder if we've got any other colors in here as well. Have we got anything else? Oh, what's that? Oh, okay, so we have, it's holographic. We have Kingdom Hearts, like little motif. So we've got Donald Duck, we've got Goofy, we've got Mickey. I don't know who the other people are, but you guys can educate me in the comments. But this is gorgeous. Are any of you Kingdom Hearts fans? Please let me know in the comments section. I want to know who is a big fan, who has played it. I have absolutely no idea about the game. Now, what's this? I'm feeling more, this is more pigment, right? Yes, it is. Oh, more pigment and more film. Sora Riku Kairi. Are these 3 separate characters or is that one name? I'm not sure. I feel so bad that I don't know this. I feel so bad, but they're still very, very pretty. I think I'm gonna have to do my research before I make anything, to be honest. Okay, we also have some black pigment as well. Is this more film? More film? Or are they look like they're tattoos or transfers of some sort. Ooh, I'm not entirely sure exactly what they are, but they look like little like transfers or tattoos. Not entirely sure, but we will see. We will see. What's this? Oh, white pigment. Pearly white, pearly white. Fabulous. We're getting to the molds now. This is the exciting part. What is that? What is that? Oh my goodness, that looks like some sort of card or some sort. You guys are gonna have to educate your girl, okay? Because I don't know. I don't know this game. And I want to be able to do it justice, much like the tarot cards. I didn't know anything about tarot cards, but once I started making them, I really, really enjoyed it. So please do educate me. What is this? It looks like a card of some sort or like a frame or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. Please let your girl know. Mind you, I'll probably find out in a minute when I read the book, but you know, I love the interaction, so feel free to pop it in the comments. Okay, what's this next mold? What is this? This looks like it goes with that. Maybe it's like a 3D kind of thing. I'm not sure. I'm very intrigued. This definitely looks like it goes with the previous mold, doesn't it? I think that they might like sort of clip together or something. I'm very intrigued to see what this is gonna be. How many molds have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, 6 molds. How much resin did we get? Okay, we got 100 grams of resin for 6 molds. Oh my goodness. Right, let's have a little look and see what else we have. Ooh! We've got some magic wands or some keys or something. You know I love me some magic. Oh, girl. See, this is something that I can do. And it doesn't at all have to be the theme of Kingdom Hearts. It can just be some pretty magical keys. And I can just get away with it. Oh, they are beautiful. Oh, they would look so, so gorgeous done in pretty pastel glittery colors. I'm sure that's not the color scheme. I'm sure it's not, but they would look good like that. They're gorgeous. Really, really detailed as well. Look at the detail in that. Can you guys see? I don't know if it's really, there you go. Can you see the detail, that lovely chain link going down the middle there? Really gorgeous. What is this one? Ooh. I wonder if we're making like a box. We must be making like a box of some, or like a container of some sort. This just looks really cool, but it looks like it goes, it looks like it's got like hinges there on the side. So I think we're making a box or a container of some sort, definitely. What mold are you? Yeah, we have to be doing something like that. This, I think that those 3 pieces must like sit into this one maybe. But I'm intrigued to know what those 4 spaces there are for in the middle. I have absolutely no idea. If you can guess before I reveal it, please do so in the comments. What did you say?
Windows.
They look like windows, don't they? They do. Right, let's have a look and see what this mold is. Ooh, it's just also magical. Maybe I really should play Kingdom Hearts. Maybe I should. This looks very like up my street. So we've got Mickey and we've got some hearts and we've got some keys and we've got some crowns. Very, very, very nice. I'm really, I just want to just open up the booklet now and see what it is we're actually supposed to make. One more thing, we have some more resin. We've got 25 grams of resin. That's probably for like the little smaller bits there. Fabulous. Oh, the box is pretty. May your heart be your guiding key. Yes, sir. Look at that. If you are a Kingdom Hearts fan, then this box is definitely right up your street, right? That is gorgeous. I really like the attention to detail that they go with these boxes. They are absolutely gorgeous. Brilliant. Right, I need to have a look at the little booklet now. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look and see what we have. So you can make your own wayfinder and other iconic symbols of Kingdom Hearts. So that was the last mold that I showed you. Keyblades that you can't do without. Oath Keeper, Kingdom Key, Oblivion. Okay, please let me know, guys, which one is which. Here they are. Oath Keeper, Kingdom Key, and Oblivion. Phone molds? What? Gummy phone molds comes with 3 molds to assemble your own gummy phone, which can be used as an actual card holder. And then you've also got a photo card / luggage tag / name tag. So you use it as a photo card to slot in your gummy phone or to use it as an actual Kingdom Hearts luggage tag. That's pretty cool. We're doing a lot of photo frame stuff this year, aren't we? This is like the 3rd thing this year that's had a photo frame kind of element to it. What's a gummy phone? I don't know. Or is it... Let me check the resin again. Hold on. Is this gummy resin? I don't think it is. So what's a gummy phone? Please educate your girl, because your girl doesn't know. I don't know. But it's cool that it has like multiple uses. You know, you can use it as like a card holder. So say if you have to like have, say, like an Oyster card, for example, we need to like beep it when you go onto public transport. It could be something like that. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I just don't know what a gummy phone is. So please enlighten your girl. Okay, I think that is everything. Do you know, even though I don't know Kingdom Hearts very well at all, I say very well, I don't know it at all. But I still think that this is an incredible box, especially if you are a Kingdom Hearts fan. I think you're going to have an absolute whale of a time with it. I too would like to have some fun with it. So please do, in the comment section, give me some ideas of things that you'd like to see me do. I'm particularly interested in making those gorgeous keys because that can be for anything, you know. I just think that they look really like magical and mystical, and I'm definitely wanting to make some of those for sure. So yeah, let me know what you would like to see me do with this box. So if you enjoyed this video and you are liking the vibe, then don't forget to just subscribe so that you don't miss the next one and you don't miss what I'm going to make with this box. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.